Welcome, here I've got Realme C25Y and let me show you how to take burst shot in camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is burst mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now when we tap on shutter button a little bit longer, we should take the burst shot, so let's try to use this. And as you can see, this is how it works. The maximum number at once pictures we can take is 20, and we can take really fast series of pictures now. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.